Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a unicorn carousel. It's super fun and easy to do. Are you ready to begin? Let's draw together. First, let's draw a big circle right in the center. Now draw 6 small circles at the bottom 1, 2, 3, all the way to 6. Next, connect all the small circles together, just like this. It looks like the base of the carousel, doesn't it? Now let's draw our magical unicorn. Start with the eyes big and sparkly. Then draw the ears, the pointy horn, and the fluffy mane. So pretty. Keep going with the face and the body of the unicorn. Now draw for strong legs like this. Don't forget the tail, make it nice and curly. Next, we'll draw the rest of the carousel. This one is simple, so it's super easy to draw, even for little artists like you. Let's add some fun decorations to hearts and circles all around the carousel. So cute! Great job! Pop! You can trace along with me. Now it's time to color, yay! Let's start with some yellow. Then add a bit of light purple. For the unicorn's mane and tail, I'll use pink, it looks so magical. A little bit of green here, and some dark yellow there. Now I'll use sky blue and a soft cream color. Let's use rainbow colors to decorate the unicorn carousel. It's going to look amazing. A bit more yellow. Now some red for the little circles. Then add orange, green, sky blue, and purple. Wow, such beautiful colors. Next, let's color this part right here using light brown, and finish it off with a little more purple. Ta-da! Our unicorn carousel is all done. You did such a great job. Give yourself a big cheer. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can draw more fun things together. See you next time, little artists. Goodbye.